today I've got some wrap here. Just a yellow film, basically transparent film, that I'm gonna go ahead and put over the F30 fog lights. I did install this on the PRELUDE headlights. Before I installed the LED kit in the PRELUDE, it was just so dark at night and I couldn't really see anything, and the yellow actually does optimize the light spectrum for the human eye, so it actually improves your driving vision. You guys get what I'm trying to say. I had intention of doing the BMW headlights as well in the yellow, though I'm still kind of on the fence about it. We'll do the fog lights first, and if you guys like what you see, put it down in the comments below and let me know if you guys maybe think I should do the headlights as well. Let's go ahead and get started by taking off the front bumper just to make this job a lot easier, and then I'll pull out the fog lights and get these things wrapped up. Off and in my living room. This was all of the bolts that came off of it, so I tried to keep everything in order. So here's the fender liners. There's 4 screws there. These were underneath the bumper, and then these were all the bolts on the top of the bumper. If any of you guys have figured out like a quick release or I don't know, a zip tie way or something to mount this bumper, because I do take it off periodically and it would be a hell of a lot easier if I didn't have to get a million different bolts out and use like 15 different sockets to get the front bumper off. So comments down below if you figured out any intuitive ways to do that. I've got a fog light obviously on each side, and it's held on by a couple Torx bits here, same on the other side, a couple here. This one's actually kind of broken. The clip kind of broke when I did the M Sport conversion, but I mean, it's on there, it's not going anywhere and it works fine. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these out and then we'll get started on wrapping. Alright guys, I just went ahead and buffed out both of the fog lights. I was just using a Turtle Wax lens restore kit. Actually, I didn't realize that these fog lights are glass and not plastic like I thought they were. Plastic tends to buff a little bit easier because you can actually pull away a layer of plastic, though the glass is kind of a different story. So now we're ready to wrap. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay out the pieces and get them cut to size, and then we'll go ahead and fit them onto the fog lights. Not perfect. I mean, there's a couple imperfections, but all the imperfections are on the edge, and you only see about this much of the fog light. There's almost half an inch here that's going to be covered up, which is going to cover up any of these imperfections, so it should look pretty much perfect when we put it back on the bumper. put back together. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the yellow fog lights. I'm pretty happy with them. It's kind of a nice change up from the normal, just OEM lights, so I dig it. I'll go ahead and turn them on real quick. Bam. Kind of hard to see in the daytime, but compared to the 6000K, it's kind of a little bit blue whitish tint to the low beams. This looks pretty yellow. Bam. I think that actually came out so sick. I'm excited to do some nighttime driving and see if it actually makes a difference. But for now, for like a couple bucks, pretty good. That's gonna wrap up the install, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if it helped you out. Comment down below if you have any mod suggestions. And as always, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Peace.